Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to give you a tips the way how you can share or send the video from iPhone into personal computer whenever this personal computer have no airdrops on it. So the application that you have to use is Google Drive. This application could save your life. Make sure you already install this. And also, make sure that you already have a Google account. Now you just need to go back into your photo library. Let's find the video that you want to upload or share into the personal computer. Tap on the video and then you just need to go click this icon. And there could be some options pop up here. Now swipe this into the left side until you got a Google Drive. If you cannot find him, you just need to tap into this three small dot with the more information and then swipe into the down part and then just go tap into Drive. And the next you just need to choose the account that you want to use here. Make sure you remember about the username as well as the passcode. And the next thing you need to do is just go tap into upload. Wait until the video is perfectly uploaded, and right after you're done, you just need to open your personal computer, open your Google, type Google Drive, open your account, and you can find this video and you can download it. And now you already got this video into your personal computer. Simple and easy. Hopefully you understand. If you still have some comment, if you still have some questions, just drop into the comment section, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.